120 East 60th Street, 7G. You enter and you have a closet right there. And another closet on the right. Those are the two closets. And in the entrance, you have another area, which is the dressing room area with cabinets and another closet to the left. Then we enter the bathroom. It's a white bathroom. Then back to the hallway. And this is the area where you could put your dining table and probably some etagere to put some other things. Then we walk into the kitchen with a refrigerator, lots of cabinet space, and another area to put your things, shelvings, and that's the kitchen. This could be your dining area, and this is the living area. Another wall of closets this time. And you can store things above. And what I like about it is you practically don't need any drawers in this house, in this apartment, because you could put your things in there. There are shelves in there and more closet space. There you go. Now, for the views. You walk out, this is a south-facing window, and you're above the neighbors down below. You see the sky, and you're actually far from your neighbors. This is a back-facing apartment. You're not in the front of the apartment, so it's very, very quiet.